how to search for restaurants on Yelp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can search for restaurants on the Yelp app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Yelp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the search bar at the top, and here you can type in for the food or the restaurant that you want. Like I'm gonna simply search for the food like pizza, and here I'm gonna simply search for it. And with that, you need to enter your location too. So here you can just tap on the location icon at the top right, and here you can simply pin your location from the map. And here, once you're done with that, you can use the search bar again, and you can use the filters like rating, price, open now, delivery, etc. to narrow your result. And after that, you can tap on any listing to view details and read reviews, check photos, and see hours about that restaurants. And that's it. That's how you can search for restaurants on the Yelp app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.